What if I told you that by 2030, 300 million jobs could be replaced by AI? This isn't science fiction. Right now, as you watch this video, companies around the world are quietly restructuring their entire workforce. In human history, every major revolution was heralded by a sound. The Industrial Revolution was the roar of steam engines. But the most significant shift in the history of labor is happening in total silence. It is the sound of algorithms processing data in the cloud. We've reached 2026, and the conversation has shifted from what if to what now. For years, we were told AI would only replace manual, repetitive tasks. We were told our human intelligence was our ultimate shield. We were wrong. Today, on Insight Lab, we're exploring why the old rules of career success are officially dead and how you can survive the silent automation.
For decades, the recipe for a secure life was simple. Get a specialized degree and join the knowledge economy. But AI is a predator, specifically designed to eat the knowledge economy. Think about a junior lawyer, a coder, or a financial analyst. They spend 80% of their time gathering data, spotting patterns, and synthesizing reports. This is exactly what large language models and AI agents do 1,000,000 times faster and 1,000 times cheaper. In the past, technology replaced brawn, muscle. Now it is replacing the brain. When an AI can pass the bar exam in the top 10th percentile or write complex Python scripts in seconds, the market value of a human doing those same tasks drops to near zero. Companies like IBM have already paused hiring for roles that AI can handle. Roughly 7,800 positions gone overnight. Compare a marketing agency with 50 employees to a single entrepreneur using a swarm of AI agents. The agency has rent, insurance, salaries. The AI-driven entrepreneur has a few monthly subscriptions. In a competitive market, the agency must charge thousands to survive, while the AI competitor provides the same quality for $50. We are moving toward a one-person billion-dollar company era, where a massive workforce is replaced by a massive compute budget.
One of the most dangerous myths is that experience will save you. We believed 20 years in an industry made you irreplaceable. But in 2026, AI models are training on the real-time feedback loops of the entire world. When an AI analyzes 1 billion transactions, it gains more experience in an hour than a human could in 10 lifetimes. Furthermore, AI is becoming agentic. It doesn't just give you a recipe, it goes into the kitchen and cooks the meal. New AI agents can now browse the web, use your mouse, and interact with software autonomously. This means the last mile of labor, the actual execution, is being automated. The gap between thinking and doing has been closed by the machine.
Why don't most people see this coming? It's called normalcy bias. We look at AI and think, it's impressive, but it can't replace my creativity. But AI doesn't have to be perfect to replace you. It just has to be good enough and cheap enough. Think about ATMs. They didn't replace bank tellers overnight, but over 2 decades, they quietly hollowed out the profession. AI is following the same curve, but moving 10 times faster. Companies aren't always announcing layoffs. They are simply stopping the hiring engine. One by one, positions disappear, and nobody notices until the office is empty. Is the future hopeless? No, but it belongs to those who adapt. To be irreplaceable, you must focus on the 3 things AI struggles with: deep human connection,
high-stakes negotiation, and original strategic judgment. Step 1. Audit your job. Write down every task you do. If more than half could be done by an AI, you are in the danger zone. Act now. Step 2. Become an orchestrator. Stop trying to outcode or outwrite the machine. Instead, learn to command it. The person who uses AI to multiply their output tenfold will be the most valuable asset in any company. Step 3. Focus on high-friction skills. Focus on leadership, empathy, and complex problem-solving in unpredictable environments. The human skills that AI can simulate but never truly possess.
The job market as we knew it in 2024 is gone. Most people will lose their jobs, but that doesn't mean they have to lose their livelihood. It means they have to stop being workers and start being visionaries. The AI revolution is not coming. It is here. And the only question that matters is, are you going to be the one who loses to it or the one who leads with it? If this analysis gave you a new perspective, hit the like button and subscribe to Insight Lab. Next week, I'm going to show you the 10 AI tools that are already making regular people thousands of dollars a month. You don't want to miss that. What part of your job do you think AI will never be able to do? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one. See you in the next deep dive.